My name is Siddique, and I'm the founding executive director of We Make Autism at Work. We are innovative solutions that are creating industry inclusion, that are creating employment, that are creating quality of life in every medium, from warehouse and inclusion in that space to schools to, daily programming. We kind of do it all. I think like everything for us, it's like natural processes. It's good people. It's simple knowledge. The same way families find out about us, other companies find out about us. And Bob heard of us, and once he made the connection of that it was me and our familial connection, he came right over and said, what can we do? And in a matter of 10 minutes, we came to an understanding that this will be a great partnership. People that jump 2 feet in our pool and don't have any reservations about what folks with autism can do, and they just basically, you're trusting us with a piece of your business. And for Bob, that's a major piece. They gave a piece of their business to us. So, obviously that meant the world to us, because you believe in our mission and you believe in our abilities, and it's not a charity, but you want to work with us. So it expanded our offerings, it expanded what our relationship, what we did for them, and we grew together. And with that, our employees have grown. The person that oversees MLS for us is a gentleman, Kyle Yeager, who's one of our employees that was neurodivergent, and he rocks it. It's grown and it's completely been able to be developed and handed off, and Kyle sees it from start to finish every day. But he loves MLS. And when Eddie comes to drop off new books, he gives him the update. They do inventory checks together. So, the greatest gift that we're getting in that is Kyle's getting a full, rich experience of what it's like to be a full-time employee. And it's great because he's getting that interface and he's understanding all the different components. Everyone gets very focused on like individual task completion and the ability to do that. Like at We Make, because we work in like a unique ecosystem of like neurodivergent folks, I call it, hand over hand or peer helping peer, that peer-to-peer learning. As much as we can immerse in that is like super beneficial, because it's far beyond just teaching the job. So mastery at We Make is not only the ability to learn how to do it yourself, but to be able to give that back to someone else. So aspects of that are really unique with Kyle is he will have a couple folks that are learning and able to do different aspects of his job, but they're shadowing him and he's teaching others. So it starts from the top down. Bob is one of the kindest, nicest, I think just community-centric people that Hopewell has. His kindness, like his willingness to do that everybody that works there cares. And that's a lot of times what keeps a contract in place. Like it's all these moving parts, but it's people, and they're patient. If there's mistakes, they hold us accountable. If there's things that we need to, shore up on our end. But the nicest thing that you can do is be kind to us, which is allowing us to have this learning experience and to grow with them. We write grants, we do these things, like there's a whole process of asking and garnering support within this field, and like it's needed and we have to do that. But it is a relief when you have folks from your day one who just come in and they really care. And it's about, there's no apologies. You think about us all the day. You support it every day. Your work comes to us and it fills our cup. There's a number of ways organizations can partner and support the autism community. And I always say this, like companies do great support all the time. Yeah, you do have to trust us to give us a $50,000 check, but you got to really trust us to give us $50,000 worth of your business and giving us an interface with one of your customers and letting us share within the business that you do. And then it allows us to work for it, right? We're innovative solutions. I think we're one of the best in the game, but we're not perfect. And we're not here for a perfect solution or a perfect product. We're not here to cure autism, but we want a winning product and a winning solution, which is caring, giving, productive, innovative, growth, and sustainability. So stewarding, like always stewarding forward to find new ways, is what we're committed to. So we're committed to be on the path of perfection. We know we won't get there, but we got the pedal to the metal on the highway. So anybody who wants to join our journey, we welcome them.